में और मेरी बहन भी शो में और माय वेरी गुड डियर फ्रेंड मनीषा. So it was a very special show. Lovely Ghagra at the back. Beautiful.
जैसे आपने देखा collection is silver metallic, Lakme के, and that's what the representation is. And neon or coral was in the show, which is again the new Lakme colors. And of course, when you see so much of neon and orange, so we had to get Kareena, who I think is a timeless beauty, ethereal. She's modern, she's classic.
Walking for Lakme and Manish together was even more special. इतनी खूबसूरत outfit में बहुत confident feel हो रहा है.
When festive theme, I love festive clothes. जैसे आप जानते हैं, under my label I make Indian clothes, evening wear, couture. But एक Lakme का theme था, which is very modern and international. They're going silver, metallic and colors. So I wanted to, अपने Indian clothes को I wanted to give a little international feel, a more modern feel, a more forward. आपने देखा जैसे बाल थे, या ये shoulders हैं. So that's what we introduced in Indian outfits. It's actually a ghagra, which is a long top. It's actually an Indian outfit meets a gown.
I think Manish has an understanding of style that no other designer has. Whether it's for films, whether it's for ramp, a personalized taste. I think he's just got that. It's in his blood. He's just naturally got this talent, which I don't know if he also knows or he does know. But he has immense amount of talent and the sense of color, everything. I mean, the colors that Manish uses, when you walk from a distance, you know and you say that, God, that's Manish's color.
Manish is just, every time I've been for his shows, every time he's styled me, it's just been incredible. I've always been a huge fan of Kareena, so you're always going to get a biased opinion from me. I think she's absolutely stunning.
I think him launching Kareena and the whole concept of what they've done for the brand, I think is amazing and it's worked really nicely. I think Kareena is a star, so I don't think there's any question of that, and I think she's done a beautiful job. And I think she looked like a doll and she looked really nice, and I think they both did a great job.
Manish का शो हमेशा सबसे फैंटास्टिक होता है और हमेशा एक फिनाले उनका जो होता है, climax is always beautifully.
I think we all expect a wonderful collection, and I think he's doing bridal or Indian. It will always be something exclusive because it's Manish, and it will also be very Bollywood, in every sense. So